Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a natural hair product haul, and I didn't get a lot of products like I usually do. I just got a few, but I really wanted to specifically get products for wash and goes because after doing the video on the kinky curly product for my wash and go, I've realized that I need gel for wash and go, so I did focus mainly on getting products for that. If you want to watch that video, please watch up here. But basically, unfortunately, it's a great product, but so it's nearly finished. But I did buy that in the UK, and to buy it in England, it's very expensive. It's like £30 plus. To get both of them will be like £50, and I'm not really spending on two products when I got a bunch of these products for less than £50, if you know what I mean. Obviously I will get it again, but like I just want to like something else just because, if that makes sense. So these products are really expensive, and I did want to see if I can get cheaper options that can work just as well. So yeah, let's just get straight onto the video. So the first product I got was this L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinaire Oil Low Shampoo Gentle Cleansing Cream No Foam. So I was interested in this, not because it's L'Oreal, because usually, I'm going to be honest, I usually go for brands that are geared towards natural hair, but this said it was for dry, curly and afro hair. They said it was geared to natural hair, so I was really interested in this, and it's actually called a low shampoo. So basically what that means is basically like a co-wash, because it's not as harsh as a shampoo, and it's not like, so it's not going to strip all my natural oils, but it'll still get my hair clean. And I actually saw good reviews on this, so I did decide to get this. They actually have this available in Boots, and this is the only thing they had from the line in Boots. I also picked up the deep conditioner for it. I also picked up the deep conditioner for this because I think it was Curly Proverb. She's actually a natural hair YouTuber here in England. She actually said she really liked this product, and I don't think we have the same hair texture. Mine's obviously more coarser, but a lot of the deep conditioners that she actually recommended were some of my actual faves, so I just thought, oh, let me just try this. So I will be doing a review and demo on these two products together probably sometime this week, because I will use these. And one thing I did like, I opened it, I've not used obviously any of these products yet, but I liked how thick the texture was. It's a very thick texture, as you can see, and it looks like the type of deep conditioners that I like, and it smells really, really nice. It's very, very thick, and it looks like a deep conditioner that I think would work really well on my hair. So I'm actually excited to try this. And this low shampoo, it actually smells similar to the deep conditioner, so I am excited to try that. I only got those two products. There was one other, but I just didn't get it. I don't know why, but I will be using those two, but hopefully this will work really well. So obviously you will see how that is if you probably see my next video, so stay tuned and subscribe if you're not already. So the next product I got is a bit random, but it's actually this. This is a Denman massage brush, and let me just take it out of the thing. Okay, I can take it out of the thing like this. It says it's for massaging your scalp, and one thing I do a lot is massage my scalp for obvious reasons, because it promotes growth, and especially with my hair oil, I usually massage my scalp like every single day, which is why my hair's been able to grow. But I just thought sometimes I don't feel like getting my hands all in my hair, so I thought this would be a really good addition. And I think all you're meant to do is literally just this. So you're meant to just massage into your scalp. Apparently, looking mess on my hair. But I know this is also meant to be good for shampoo, cleaning your scalp and cleansing your scalp with co-wash or conditioner. So I am going to try this probably when I do try those products, and yeah, I'll see if that works, like how it works for me. It did say it's for medium to short hair, short to medium hair, and I don't know, my hair is quite thick. Oh, it actually says ideal for stimulating scalp massages during shampoo, perfect for distributing gel, waxes, pomades during styling, particularly suitable for short to medium length hair. Well, I don't know if you would consider my hair short to medium. I'd probably say it's medium to long. Obviously here it looks more like shortish to medium because my hair is in a braid out, but when my hair is stretched, it actually does go, okay, the camera's not going to be able to pick it up, but it goes right down to there. So I'm not sure, what would you consider this length hair? Comment down below, like what you would consider this length to be, if it's medium or medium to long, short to medium, because okay, it's probably not short. I'd probably consider this medium hair. Obviously I will see how this works on my hair because I do have thick hair, and I really hope this works really well. So yeah, this is from Denman. I did get it on Amazon, and I will put links for everything down below. And one thing I did see is that they have a lot of cheaper ones, for example, that are 79p, so you don't necessarily have to get this one, even though this one wasn't that much. It's just that I feel like I didn't want to like get a rubbish one, and I know this is meant to be, Denman is a good brand. I do have a brush from Denman, so I do trust it more, so it just depends. But I will put a link to this one down below if you want to decide, if you decide you want to purchase this. The next product is hairband. This is actually how it came, and it's actually this brand. I've not opened this one yet, but I had one of this type. Actually, low-key, I stole it from my friend Lane. Thank you. Basically, as you know, I have really bad issues with hairbands because my hair is very thick, and especially when I do a style like a wash and go or a style that I've not tamed my hair, bands will break. So I've noticed this style of band does not break easily. The only problem is that it's not tight enough. I can't get it tight enough, like wrap it around enough to do like tight buns and styles like that. But when I want to do like hair bands or something like that, then this is okay. So I did get a pack of 10 because I lose hair bands. Actually, they get stolen quite a bit by my sister, to be honest. But I did have to get more hair bands, and I'm tired of my hair bands breaking, so I decided to just get these ones, and probably I have to get the other ones when I really want to do like proper buns. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. The next product I got was this. Now this is the Auntie Jackie's Flaxseed recipe, don't shrink flaxseed elongating curling gel. Now I actually bought this product a very long time ago, but when I bought it, it was near the beginning of my transitioning phase, so my hair was very stringy. In fact, I actually have a picture with this product in my hair, so I will link it here. And I thought I liked it, but I don't know if I did. I actually did a video using this product, and I think it was like refreshing my curls, and it was a very silly video. I think I took it down. It wasn't a silly video, but like, I wouldn't recommend it for refreshing curls, like the method I actually did now that I'm natural, so I did take it down. But I actually remember this being a lot smaller. So when I read it, it did say 20% more than the 15 ounce. So yeah, it's become a lot bigger than it was before. And the reason why I got this is because honestly, I wanted to try new gels, but I did see a lot of good reviews on this, so I was like, oh, maybe I should try it again and I'll be using it properly, because obviously when I was first transitioning, I wasn't really good with using products. I didn't really know how to use them well for my hair, and now I kind of understand how to use products better and more efficiently for my hair. I thought, okay, let me just give this a try, because I don't remember liking it and I don't remember hating it, but I do remember when I had the original size of this, it literally finished in 2 goes, so I don't think I was using it right, because it should not finish that quickly. But this is quite a big size. This is 511 grams, 18 ounces, and it smells, I think it smells the same. Yeah, it's the same texture. Yeah, I don't think it's going to be bad, and I think this is going to be perfect for wash and goes. Like I said, I really want to find the perfect products for wash and goes, because I've realized I need gels. I will be doing a wash and go hair series, so it'll be to do with finding the best like gels for wash and goes, because I feel like they are essential for wash and goes. So this is meant to be for wash and goes, so yeah, I wanted to definitely try this. So this is the first product. The next is this ORS Curls Unleashed Aloe Vera and Honey Gel Curl Boosting Gel. So this is what it looks like. I also got this off Amazon, and I wish I got it in Boots, because I realized I think it's actually cheaper in Boots, but I've never tried this before, and again, obviously for my wash and goes, I want to try this. It's also very big as well. It's 453 grams. This is the texture. It's very jelly like, very thick, and it has a very fruity smell. Okay, yeah, it's quite fruity. Yeah, it has a very fruity smell, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. It has aloe vera and honey, which are obviously really good for the hair, and it's also in a big tub as well, which is what I like. So if I do like these products, then obviously that's good, because that means I have product to go through, unless someone in my household decides to finish with my products. The last product I have is the As I Am curling jelly. This is what it looks like. This is obviously a lot smaller than the other products, especially this one. But the reason why I did get this is because it's a curling jelly. It's also good for, specifically for wash and goes. And also I've used the As I Am co-wash. I've used the co-wash before and I really like that. It was a good product, so I did want to try more of the As I Am products. And this has good ingredients like aloe vera, vitamin E, pectin, sugar beetroot. So yeah, it has a good product. It's 227 grams and 8 ounces, but this is a natural brand, so I didn't expect it to be like as big as those, when like I think this probably has better ingredients. And it was like, this was like £10 I think, and I feel like these were both less than £10 and they're a lot bigger, so I'm assuming that that probably means that these have better ingredients. And to be honest, like when it comes to hair, I always want to put the best in my hair, even though I don't think these have too much bad ingredients from what I'm looking at. It has no sulfates, no parabens. And this, well, it was flaxseed, so I didn't expect it to be like bad. Oh, this has no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oils, and no petroleum. So I think this is meant to be a natural brand probably as well. But yeah, I do know that As I Am products are meant to be quite good, and I've only used the co-wash, so I am excited to use the curling jelly as well, and I hope it works extremely well. But I do feel like, just looking at the style, it does say it's designed for wash and go styling, but from the size of this, I don't know how long this will last me, but hopefully it can last me at least 3 to 4 wash and goes, but obviously we shall see. So that's the end of my haul. But like I said, I didn't get a lot of products like I usually do, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, because I will be doing a wash and go series. Now that it's summer, I feel like this is the best time to do wash and goes. I do not agree with doing wash and goes in the winter, just for like many different reasons, but summer is like the wash and go time, and especially now that the weather's now becoming decent in England, now's definitely the time. So stay tuned for my wash and go hair series. And yeah, if there's any gels that you want me to try, or like wash and go products, they can be curling gels or like styling creams, anything based more for wash and goes, please let me know. And I'll also put a link to my other product tools, because I'm usually quite lucky with products that when I usually buy products, I never usually not like them, and I hope that continues to happen, because that means I don't really waste money. So you may want to see some of my other product tools just to see what other products I've got, so you might be interested in some of them. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. I will have all of the links to everything I bought down below, US and UK. Generally I try to do both, so yeah, hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Adios.